This is our lecture number 52. In this lecture, we are making comparison among the continuous tenses. The continuous tenses are the present continuous tense, the past continuous tense, and the future continuous tense. Now, the comparison is done as follows. We will see that the present continuous tense, simple positive, the past continuous tense, simple positive, the future continuous tense, simple positive. So now we will take their examples. The first example is, I am writing a novel now. The second example is, I was writing a novel now. And the third example is, I shall be writing a novel tomorrow. And the next example, I was writing a novel now. So that now will be then. And that example will be, I was writing a novel then. Because it is the past tense. That's why now will be then. That is the explanation. Now, if we see the comparison between these three examples, sentences, we can say that am writing will be was writing and was writing will be shall be writing. It means am writing is the present continuous tense, was writing is the past continuous tense, and shall be writing is the future continuous tense. So it is very easy to memorize, or it is very easy to keep in memory that I am writing is the present continuous tense, I was writing is the past continuous tense, and I shall be writing is the future continuous tense. Means am writing, was writing, and shall be writing. These are the verbs, and these verbs tell us about these tenses. The second comparison we will see, negative comparison, means the present continuous tense as the sense of negative, past continuous tense as the sense of negative, and the future continuous tense as the sense of negative. So the examples are, I am not writing a novel now, I was not writing a novel then, and I shall not be or shan't be writing a novel tomorrow. So when we see these three examples, then we compare that, or we can understand that there is the comparison. Comparison means there is the difference, but that difference is very easy difference. How? There is am not writing. This am not writing means present continuous tense, and this am not writing becomes was not writing, means it becomes the past continuous tense, and then it becomes the shall not be or shan't be writing. So these verbs show the negative sense, and it is very easy to keep in memory. How? Am not writing, was not writing, shall not be writing, or shan't be writing. Means when there is am not writing, that is the present continuous tense in the negative sense, and was not writing, this is the past continuous tense in the negative sense, and shall not be writing or shan't be writing, this is the future continuous tense in the negative sense. This is very easy to memorize. Now we will see the next part, that these three tenses now we will see with comparison, but we will see the questions. Means we will see these three tenses on the basis of the questions. Means now we will see these three tenses with the help of the positive interrogative structures. Means now the present continuous tense, the past continuous tense, and the future continuous tense will be seen, or we will see on the basis of the positive interrogative structures. So the examples are, Am I writing a novel now? Was I writing a novel then? Huh? Shall I be writing a novel tomorrow? Means these will be the examples, and these examples are of the positive structures or positive sentences. Now, what is the difference or comparison between these three sentences? The comparison is very easy. How? Am I writing means present continuous tense. Was I writing is the past continuous tense, and shall I be writing is the future continuous tense. Means here, what is the explanation? The explanation is that am I writing is the present continuous tense, was I writing is the past continuous tense, and shall I be writing is the future continuous tense. And easily we can understand, or we can memorize, or we can speak English sentences with these structures. Okay, now the next part we will see is that these three tenses now will be seen, or we will see these three tenses in the sense of the negative question, means the negative interrogative question structures, means the present continuous tense, the past continuous tense, and the future continuous tense. These three tenses now we will see on the basis of the negative interrogative structures. Now, the first example of the structures is, am I not writing a novel now? Was I not writing a novel then? And shall I not be writing a novel tomorrow? These are the three examples, and these three examples tell us the difference or the comparison like this, that am I not writing is the negative interrogative structure. There is am I not writing? Am I not writing? Is she not writing? Are they not writing? Means there we can take their am is are. And second is, was I not writing? Was I not writing? Means here is the past continuous tense, and this past continuous tense is given there in the negative interrogative question. And then the third is, shall I not be writing? Shall I not be writing? So here we will see that am I not writing, was I not writing, and shall I not be writing. So these three structures are not the difficult structures. These are the very, very simple structures. Again I will say you, am I not writing, was I not writing, shall I not be writing. So these are the structures which are very easy to keep in memory and to speak English. Now, the next part of this comparison is that we will see the S.M.College questions. Means we will see now the verbal questions with the help of these three tenses or the structures. At first, we will see the positive S.M.College questions. Means the positive S.M.College questions means verbal questions. And in the second part, we will see the S.M.College questions means verbal questions in the sense of the negative structure. So, we will see, am I writing a novel now? Yes, I am, or you are writing a novel now. Here in the negative part, it will be like this, that am I not writing a novel now? Yes, I am writing a novel now. Or yes, you are writing a novel now. The next is positive. Was I writing a novel then? Was I writing a novel then? The answer is yes, I was writing a novel then. Or yes, you were writing a novel then. And here again, no, I was not writing a novel then, or no, you were not writing the novel then. And here in this negative part, the sentence will be, was I not writing the novel then? Yes, I was writing a novel then, or yes, you were writing the novel then. No, I was not writing, or you were not writing the novel then. And when we see the future continuous tense and its verbal questions or SOD questions, then we will see that, shall I be writing a novel tomorrow? Yes, I shall be writing a novel tomorrow. Yes, you will be writing a novel tomorrow. No, I shall not be writing a novel tomorrow, or no, you will not be, or you shall not be writing a novel tomorrow. These are the positive sentences, and these sentences will be negative sentences like this. Shall I not be writing a novel tomorrow? The answer is yes, I shall be writing a novel tomorrow. You shall be writing a novel tomorrow, or no, I shall not be, or you will not be writing a novel tomorrow. So these are the two parts. On the basis of these two parts, we saw here that there is the difference between these three tenses, but that difference is not more difference. So we saw now the verbal questions positive and the verbal questions negative, and in the end we will say that M is R plus MV plus MV is equal to present continuous tense. Means if we want to make the present continuous tense, there should be M is R plus MV plus ing. It means there should be be or to be verb plus main verb plus ing is the present continuous tense. Then we saw that was and were plus mv plus ing is equal to past continuous tense. And then we saw that shall be or will be plus main verb plus ing is equal to future continuous tense. In this today's lecture, we saw the comparison between these tenses or among these tenses. Now I will request you that there is the corona outside, and I hope that you will not go outside, you will remain in your homes. Be happy, don't go outside. Thank you very much.